Hello my friends, I would like to show you how to install PHP 8.3 on Windows 10 with laragon. Until now it was very easy. Go to PHP website and download 8.3, but now you should do another one step. It's edit it in Windows environment variable. So for that you should go to PHP download, choose Windows download, and then I choose thread safe, and you should choose zip version. Download it. I'm already downloaded it, and then extract it into your, for example, download folder. Name it as you wish. For example, PHP 8.3. Then move it into your laragon folder installation. It's in my case Windows C drive /laragon. Then you should go to bin, choose PHP. Here are all PHP versions where you paste them here. Paste another one version. This was situation until 8.3 version, but from now you should go to Edit System Environment Variables, choose tab Advanced, then choose Environment Variables, then choose Path, Edit, and then click Add New. I'm already added it here, but you should go here in where are all your PHP versions and take path to your PHP version. Click Ctrl C and then paste it here. Click on New, paste it here, click OK, OK, OK. And one more important step is to restart laragon. So you should click stop, and when he stops you should click on laragon mainboard. You should click start. For example, stop. I think it's stop, and then start all. I don't know, am I said that I'm using nginx as web server. After everything is started in Commander, you should check it, php-v, and then you can see it's PHP 8.3. That's all from me for now.